Hey everybody, it's Craig. We're going to start up that 1270. Kill switch is in. Pops right off, guys. Good running tractor. So we're just going to put it in range 2 for now. Lower the steering wheel here. Just going to show you guys. Power shift works absolutely good. Responds right away the way it should. Going to back shift 1. And then again right here, you got reverse. The clutch has it's got a lot of good response, guys. Clutch seems very, very good condition. Most of your travel is kind of there towards the end, which that's what how these were normally adjusted. I've gone through it, guys. All the ranges, all the power shift gears work the way it should. Again, guys, cheap horsepower tractor, really, really nice one to add. Run the auger, run the baler. All around, just they're really good running tractors, easy starters. You won't regret owning this one. Make sure you check us out at the open house. The open house is going to be August 14th. Check out this 1270 and again, all the other awesome, well-kept machinery John's offering you on his retirement auction.